Welcome once again and hello to all. So today we are with the 6th chapter, Hatch Shading, which is an extension of our 4th and 5th chapter. Here we'll be learning 3 more kinds of shading. So we can just write hatch. Date. We'll divide it into 9 parts by 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines that we've been doing in the previous chapters also. So that is because we are going to make 3 different kinds of lines and then 3 different kind of shading on these, like the light, here medium and the dark. So first we would go to this box and make this kind of X. Yeah. So fill this box with light shade of this X, hatching the lines. These shades would help you in different places while you will be trying to do some more drawings. So like this, and this would be the light shade, and then just increase the number of X's there. That way you would be creating a medium tone. And please don't press the pencil, as I've been telling you. Try not to use eraser and scale. Try to be more freehand. Like this, you would be filling the light first and then the medium tone with this X pattern. This will all help your hands become more flexible and develop skill. So this way, just go on adding more X's, which makes it medium tone, and then go to the when you complete this, then you move to the third box, and there you will be adding more X's to make it more darker. So this way you will be making 3 shades of this X pattern. Move to the next. That's just like the hair when you want to. So like this you can create many different lines into shades. This will all help you while you will be doing advanced works. Okay, and the same when you complete, please always complete the whole box and then move. Okay, and then closer, much closer, and over it will make the medium tone. Always when you have to increase the shade, try to make it over and again, which will help make it darker. Now once you complete this box, then you can move to the last box and complete this. So like this, using these shades, these patterns of shading, you can create your own shapes, or even in the further lessons like object studies and all that, looking into the objects you will be making the study. So during that time also these kind of hatch shadings will help you. So now to make it more darker, you can add more on that. Okay, now we will move. Once you complete this, then you can move on to next. So this can be in a different direction. So complete this box and then move to the medium box. When you do over and over it, it will become darker. That's it. Don't try to press. And now once you complete this, you can move to the last one. So like this, you can complete this chapter and try use all these. Like this is the 3rd chapter that we are doing with the shades, and these are like without getting on to any particular object or anything. So utilize these kinds of shading into whatever you want to do. So these are kind of exercises that will make your hand flexible and skillful. Complete it like this, and Enjoy. We shall meet with more ideas. Like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button. Thank you.